Welcome to Skills Miner Aerospace, the latest Minecraft games lessons from Ingenuity, built by block builders, supported with lessons developed by Tablet Academy. This is Game 4, Building Future Aircraft. Once you've loaded up the game, you will arrive in this area here, and in front of you, you will have an NPC, which is a non-player character. There'll be plenty of these across the game. To interact with them, just walk forwards by pressing W and then right-click. Each NPC will give you different bits of information. This is the Welcome NPC, who will welcome you to the Innovation and Research Hub. Here you can build different things to do with aviation. When you're ready, head to the left, and in each room are different tasks. You'll then be taken to a 3D design room to build your ideas. Select which one you want, and you'll be teleported to your build area. You can then save these designs as 3D models. So once you've interacted with them, you can just move forwards. If at any point you need help with the controls, you can just press the H key and that will bring up the controls on your screen to the left. And you just press it again for that to be removed. So in front of you, there are 4 different rooms. So the first one we have is aircraft for commuting / urban air mobility. The second one is aircraft for holiday makers. The third one is aircraft for non-passenger data gathering, and then the final room at the end of the corridor is your ideas for the future. So each room has the same idea behind it, where you will go in and you will see different designs on the walls all around you, and there'll be an NPC in there for you to interact with. So for the first room, for task 1, they're asking you to look at ways to improve how people travel, and that they want to build a prototype to beat traffic jams, help people get to and from work, and to help emergency response situations. We have some ideas on the walls here. Can you help build something for us? We need it to be able to carry 1 to 30 people, and there won't be any runways, so it will need to take off vertically. It also needs to be light, quick, and use sustainable fuel. If you decide to do task 1, you can read the NPC, read their instructions, and have a look at the designs in the room. And then when you're ready, you can head in here and right-click on the computer that says Build Zone. That will open up this little menu here where it says click the button to go to your build zone. All you need to do is left-click on Go, and that will teleport you to your 3D build zone. So it looks like this, and over here you have an NPC and something called a structure block. On the floor here, everything that you build is on these build allow blocks. So just stay building on this platform here. When you interact with your NPC in your build area, they'll tell you that you can use this structure block to save your designs as a 3D model to your desktop. You can right-click on the block when you're finished and click Export to save your design. The size coordinates have already been put in for you, so don't edit these. It will save everything that you build on the platform. And then if you do want to go back to the beginning and choose a different task, you can click the Go Back button. For now, I'm just going to do an example build on here to show you how the structure block works. So you press the letter E if you're playing on a laptop or a computer, and that will open up your inventory. In your inventory, you can pick whichever blocks you want. For now, I'm just going to pick some orange blocks just to show you, as an example, how the structure block works. So I will place down some blocks like this along here. You'll now be in creative mode as well, so you'll be able to move around and fly and access the creative inventory. So I will finish off this example build here. Say you have completed your design based on task 1. Say you've finished everything you want to in this build area, you can come up to the structure block, which is this block here, and right-click on it. When you right-click on it, you'll see you've got the sizes down the side, so don't edit those. They've been designed to fit everything you build on the platform inside. If you look here in this box, you can see that this is the build platform, and inside there is my little orange arch that I have just built. So everything that you build on this platform can then be saved into this structure block here, and when you click Export, you'll be able to save it, and you'll be able to name it whatever you wish and save it to your desktop just by clicking Save, and you will have a 3D file of what you have built. So for now, I'm just going to remove those blocks and bring them back. and we're going to head back to the beginning. So you just right click on your NPC and then left click on go back to come back to the beginning of the center. So it's the same premise for each room, it's just with each room you'll be doing a different design. So the room that I have just shown you an example of is the aircraft for commuting / urban air mobility. You then have the second room, the third room, and the final room to interact with as well. This game is designed for you to put forward your ideas based on tasks, and then for the final room based on ideas for the future. We hope you enjoy putting forward all of your different ideas for aviation and aerospace. Thank you very much.